When we designed the Delivita Origin, our goal was simple: to create an oven that heats up efficiently, cooks beautifully, and delivers incredible wood-fired pizzas every single time. To get the very best from the oven, there's one important step that you have to do before you cook your first pizza. You must cure your oven, and it's essential that you use the wood fire stone protector. You must never light a fire directly on the stone. The wood must always be used in conjunction with the wood firestone protector. Simply add a small amount of firelighter, dry kindling, followed by a couple of pieces of seasoned hardwood into the protector. Thing is here, don't overload it. The aim isn't a huge roaring fire, it's a gentle, controlled burn. Now place the protector into the middle of the oven and then light the fire. As the fire grows, we'll push that back and then keep feeding it little and often, and we'll do this for an hour. As the fire starts to develop, get yourself a Delivita pizza turner and then push this to the back.
Good.
And then for the next hour, what you want to do is gradually feed this. Just keep on putting logs on top of it and allow the temperature to just build slowly. Once the oven has completed its first curing fire, the stone has been conditioned correctly and you're ready to cook. This process must be repeated, however, after long periods of no use. This avoids damage and helps maintain the stone's integrity. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.